Welcome to the beautiful home development, Perry Homes in Kallison Ranch. Today we're going to take you through 3 of the model homes. So if you're looking for a new home in San Antonio and you want to take advantage of the incentives that are out there that will help you get into a new home now, you need to watch this video. And we're getting after it right now. Well, let's check out this beautiful home. As we walk up to the entryway, you can see the brick on both sides. As we walk in this home, you can see the nice long entryway. Can lighting throughout, all LED lighting in this home. To the left is the office with double 8-foot doors. And again, this office is 13 by 10. Really nice size at the front of the home. So looking out the window, you could enjoy that view. And again, back to the hallway, garage will be to the left. Your laundry room after the office. Again, room for a washer, dryer, and a refrigerator. And as you walk into the kitchen and living area, you'll notice stainless steel appliances throughout. Quartz countertops, very nice sized square island in this home. You can see various upgrades, the hardware on the cabinets, pantry in the corner. So just a beautiful, beautiful home. Pendant lighting and bar seating on the other side of the kitchen counter. Plenty of room for dining in the kitchen. Good sized family room. Then as we back up slightly and to the right, we've got a short hallway into the guest bedrooms. Also a guest bathroom. You can see the nice tile, again, quartz counters, and just really, really pretty. Hall closet and bedrooms on the left and right. These bedrooms again are 10 by 13, so larger than many of the new homes. Some of the energy features are low E windows. And again, a 16-SEER carrier HVAC unit for those warm San Antonio days in the summer. Keep you nice and cool. There's also a HERS rating, home energy rating system, of about 60 in the Perry homes. So as we walk through the living area, you've got these beautiful large windows looking out the backyard, and you can see the patio and a door out to the patio and off the living room. Also a ceiling fan, and you can see that the inside or the underside of the patio roof is also finished. So again, we've talked in other videos about inventory homes. Always your best opportunity. As we walk into the primary suite, you can see those same big windows looking out into the backyard. And again, the primary bedroom is a very nice size. Beautifully decorated, beautifully finished. And that's another thing you'll notice about the Perry homes is the finish out is really beautiful. But you can see the garden tub, an oversized shower. Also dual vanity, which is very nice in these homes. Now, we've talked about some of the inventory advantages in the past. Some of the incentives are typically lower interest rates. So if you're concerned about interest rates, the Perry homes offer a 5% interest rate, probably buy it down into the 4s. So a lot of incentives. And let's take a look at the floor also in here. You've got the wood-like tile, which is beautiful, easy to clean. So the maintenance in here with the warranties on the Perry homes, you've got 10 years on the structure, foundation, and the structure of the homes, and you've got 2 years on the mechanicals, the HVAC, the plumbing, and the electrical. Again, this area to the left will be the garage area, as this is a model home. And a look there at some of the pictures they have of the amenities in the area. The beautiful pools and playground. And the maps of the area with their development and the available lots and the sold lots. So wonderful community. Again, if you're moving to San Antonio in 9 days or 90 days, click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and remember, give Artmeister a call at 210-286-9106, and I look forward to serving you, and we will catch you on our next video. Bye for now.